Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to zoom in into your Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to zoom into your images on Midjourney, you just simply have to open your Discord application and open Midjourney bot into there. Then after opening Midjourney bot, you just simply have to generate any of the desired images, and then after that this type of results will appear with the 4 different images. You just simply have to upscale any of those in order to zoom, and after upscaling it will generate this type of single image into here. Now in order to zoom, it will give this 3 options for zoom in or zoom out. The first one is 2x fixed zoom and the second one is 1.5x fixed zoom. Then you can create your custom zoom by tapping into this custom zoom option. Just simply select the zoom that you want and then Midjourney will create a result for you. It might take some moment, you just simply have to wait a bit and Midjourney will create again 4 different zoomed in or out results depending on your command. As you can see here, Midjourney created zoomed out result for me. This way you can easily zoom out or zoom in into Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.